Apex Legends is one of the most trending topics and games on YouTube at the moment, and as you can see on YouTube, these sort of videos with Apex Legends are getting hundreds of thousands if not millions of views. And I'm sure perhaps some of you even watching this watch Apex Legends gaming videos on YouTube. But how would you like it if I could show you a way how you can make between $200 and $400 per day watching Apex Legends online? And you don't need to have any knowledge at all. You don't need to have any money to get started. You can do this if you are a complete beginner, because I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this step by step. But this is going to be a limited time thing, so I really suggest that you watch this video until the end, as it can really benefit you. So it's basically like Fortnite. It was only popular for so long. So Fortnite was popular for the first while, now it's dying down a bit. Now Apex Legends just recently being released, the stats of the popularity and the interest is really insane, and I'm going to show you some awesome statistics now. So guys, I really suggest that you watch this video through and take advantage of this opportunity that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show you quickly on Google Trends the trending of how Fortnite was when it started and how Apex Legends is at the moment, and how you can really make a lot of money on this. So basically this is just a statistic proving to you that this will actually and does work. And the whole idea of this is you want to catch the trend before it ends, and you're very lucky because Apex Legends just recently being launched. I don't even think the trend is even at its full peak yet. It's still rising up, as I'm going to show you now. So you can see before January this year, the interest in Apex Legends has really been 0 or less than 1, which means nobody's been interested in the game. But as of after January, there was a massive spike to just over 30% or interest in the video game itself. So you can see it really spiked up, and it's dipped a little bit because, you know, the first initial launch, obviously it's a big hype, and then it dies down a little bit after that. So if you think when Fortnite released, how there was a massive spike in interest after it was launched, and how that spike just grew and grew from there. So you can see here, this graph is currently at quite a bit of a low. So this means that the trend or the spike in Apex Legends is still going to come, and that's why you can really make a lot of money from this. So before I get into the actual strategy, I'm going to show you a couple of channels who are making use of the strategy but are actually making a big mistake and making no money from it. So obviously YouTube has become very strict on who they monetize in their YouTube community, and if you are piecing together other people's clips, I'm sure you've seen a lot of videos on that you can use the CC videos of other channels, and if you piece these clips together, there's a big chance that YouTube won't actually monetize your channel. So you can see right here is a channel that basically collects a whole bunch of compilations of Apex Legends and makes their own videos from it. And you can see this video here has a ton of views in under 24 hours, nearly 50,000 views, which is really good, which is more than the amount of subscribers they have. But you can see on their video, there's not a single advert, which means their channel hasn't been monetized, or their channel was disapproved by the monetization application. And all they're doing is they're compiling very awesome Apex Legends gaming clips and basically uploading it to their channel and getting a ton of views. But because they are taking other people's clips, they are not getting monetized, and this is the mistake that they're making, and I'm going to show you how you can work your way around this. And here is another channel, for example, Apex Legends Funny Moments. You can see their main channel introduction or trailer video that's listed here has nearly 800,000 views. But again, if you look at this video, there's not a single advert, which means this channel has not been approved for monetization. So a video with nearly 800,000 views, imagine what sort of turnover you're looking to make on a video like this. So basically, these channels are getting hundreds of thousands of views, they're making this one simple mistake, and they're not getting paid for it at all. And I'm going to show you how you can find these exact clips, but at the same time get monetized on YouTube for these videos, and not actually copy other people's content on YouTube, so that YouTube's guidelines won't actually pick it up. And the first thing you want to do is you simply want to go to twitch.tv, and you want to go to the search bar in the top left and just type in Apex Legends. You can click on the first option here, the Apex Legends FPS shooter game. And then underneath the showing tab, you want to click on the drop down and you want to go to clips. And this is the page where you can find a whole bunch of short clips that you can compile into an amazing compilation just like these channels have. And as you can see, getting 50 to 800,000 views, some channels even 1 million plus views. But instead, you will be the one that's getting monetized and essentially getting a lot of revenue. As I say, between $300 and $1,000 per day. And you can see these videos are 20 seconds, 56 seconds, 26 seconds, 14 seconds, 53 seconds. They're short clips that you can make use of and compile into like a 10-minute awesome compilation video. And then what I can recommend is to avoid demonetization on YouTube. Make sure that your compilation clips are less than 30 seconds long. So what you can do is you can click on a video, for example, let's say this one here for 56 seconds. You will see it will give you a link. You can then copy this link, go over to Google and go Twitch video download. And if you scroll down to a website called clipr.xyz, which will open up like this, paste the link on this tab and just click on download video. It will download to your local computer. You can then edit this video, mix and match that it's less than 30 seconds long. And then what you can do is go back to Twitch, download some other videos or clips on this website, make sure they're also under 30 seconds or less, and make a compilation video of like 10 minutes and watch the views and monetization and revenue just pile up. This method is definitely worth your time, and it is going to require a little bit of work. But as I say, this, as of now, today, whatever the date is of this recording, it will really be beneficial for you because the Apex Legends popularity or interest peak hasn't even hit the top yet. So imagine if you get involved with Apex Legends now and it completely booms like Fortnite, the amount of subscribers, views and revenue that you could have. So now once you've compiled the clip, you've edited a good compilation video, another key step that you want to make sure that you master is a good thumbnail and a good title. So what you can do is make it a little bit clickbaity, not obviously deceiving or lying, but make it seem, as I say, a little bit clickbaity, like Apex Legends, best, I don't know, weapons in the game, compilation of the best kills in the game, and that sort of thing, and it will grow very quickly. And if you want to build a good thumbnail, head over to a website called canva.com and you can completely make YouTube thumbnails from scratch using their already made themes. And then a bonus tip on top of this that you can use to really make some more money on top of these videos is with the Amazon Associates Affiliate Program. So obviously we know with the Amazon Affiliates Program, you get your own special link, and when people click on this special link of yours and they buy something on Amazon's website, you get up to a 10% commission for that sale within the first 24 hours that they click on your link. So once you have uploaded your compilation video onto YouTube and you are getting a lot of views, let's say thousands of views just like these channels, this is going to mean a couple of things. That means the viewers are obviously into or they really like Apex Legends, or it means that they really are into or like gaming, which means they like gaming products such as keyboards, gaming mice, gaming headsets, graphics cards, whatever it may be. So the nice thing about this is with obviously the Amazon Associates or the Amazon store being one of the most recognized and well-known e-commerce stores in the world. And what you can do is in the description of your videos is throw in some affiliate links of some of the most popular and cheaper gaming keyboards on Amazon and watch the sales just come through and the commissions coming and rolling in onto your Amazon affiliates account. So I mean, it can literally be anything. You can offer keyboards, you can go gaming mice, throw in a couple of affiliate links for gaming mice, you can go headsets as well, and the amount of sales you can make is really, the potential is a lot, because as I say, Apex Legends is a really fast and rapid growing topic at the moment, and a lot of people will see your content and essentially be interested in these products. So for example, if you want to list a gaming headset that I've just got here as a random example, you know, let's say you list this affiliate link in the description of your video, someone clicks on it, they decide to buy the product, you're going to get 10% commission for the sale. So $116, 10% of that is $11.6, and this is what you're going to make for each and every sale of this headset. Imagine these channels getting, as you saw there, nearly 800,000 views within the first 24 or 48 hours of uploading the video. Do you really think that a few of these people will at least buy these products and essentially getting that commission for you? Even if it's 10 or 15 of those 800,000 people, and I highly think that it will be a lot more than that. That is between $116 and $200 of just 5 to 10 people. And you can even up the notch or the level a little bit, and you can go to Amazon and type in Xbox One and list these affiliate links in your online store. So here you can see an Xbox One, $234. 10% of that is $23. And I mean, as I say, if a video is getting, as you saw on YouTube, 800,000 views in the first 48 hours, I'm sure a couple of people will buy through these affiliate links. So as I say, imagine these channels getting nearly 800,000 views, but they're not monetized because they're copying clips of other people on YouTube, and they're also not using the Amazon affiliates bonus that I've just showed you. So imagine if you do this, you take these videos from Twitch instead of YouTube, at the same time get monetized while making a whole bunch of sales on Amazon affiliates. Imagine the income that you'll be bringing in on a daily basis. Your earning potential is really huge for this opportunity. So I suggest give it a try. Let me know what you think. And I can't give you any specific number, but easily between $500 and $1,000 per day with revenue and selling through these Amazon affiliate links. So guys, definitely go ahead and take advantage of this strategy. But if you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you leave a like, comment down below what you think, and subscribe if you're new to receive some awesome content on how you can make money online, boost your social media business or platform such as Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and your YouTube channel, getting more views, etc., and succeed in your online business. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.